Robotics Lab 3A preparation video demonstration. In this demonstration, the robot is going to pick a part from here and then place it on this station over here. So I've moved to 1, shift forward. So it is moving to part ready, pick ready position, and then to pick approach. Now it is moving with linear motion to pick position. It has clamped the gripper, waited for 2 seconds, and now it is getting back to the pick ready position. This wait time is to ensure that it has fully picked the part. On this side, it reached to place ready, and then to approach, and then it reached to place position, unclamped the gripper, waited for 2 seconds to ensure that it has fully unclamped, and then got back, and it's following a loop now. Picked apart, moving to place ready, and then place the part, linear motion to approach, and then joint motion to the first position again.